Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. A palindrome is a sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backward. For example, the strings racecar and level are palindromes. A palindrome permutation, on the other hand, is a rearrangement of the characters in a string that can form a palindrome. Key concepts: 1. Character frequency, for a string to be rearranged into a palindrome. If the length of the string is even, all characters must have even counts. If the length of the string is odd, only one character can have an odd count, all other characters must have even counts. 2. Ignoring non-alphabetic characters, depending on the use case, you might want to ignore spaces, punctuation, and case when checking for palindrome permutations. Steps to determine if a string is a palindrome permutation. 1. Clean the input string by removing non-alphabetic characters and converting it to lowercase. 2. Count the frequency of each character. 3. Check the counts to determine if the string can be rearranged into a palindrome. JavaScript implementation. Here's how you can implement a function to check if a given string is a permutation of a palindrome. Explanation of the code. 1. Cleaning the string, we use a regular expression to remove non-alphabetic characters and convert the string to lowercase. 2. Counting frequencies, we create an object to keep track of how many times each character appears. 3. Checking for odd counts, we iterate through the counts of characters and count how many characters have an odd frequency. 4. Final check, we return true if the number of characters with odd counts is 1 or less, which means the string can be rearranged into a palindrome. Testing the function. You can test the function with various strings to see if they can be rearranged into a palindrome. The example strings provided in the code comments illustrate different scenarios, including ignoring spaces and punctuation. This should give you a solid understanding of how to check for palindrome permutations in JavaScript.